हम लोग 20 जनवरी का वेट कर रहे हैं कि वो जब प्रेसिडेंट बने तो शायद कुछ बात बढ़े आगे।
ISKCON India has pinned its hopes on Donald Trump after the Mohammad Yunus-led Bangladesh government has sought to ban the Hindu religious organization in Bangladesh, calling it fundamentalist and radical. Hindu monk Chinmay Krishnadas Brahmachari has been arrested, resulting in widespread protests. Many global leaders, including late Apple founder Steve Jobs, have been associated with the outfit. While ISKCON Bangladesh has distanced itself from Chinmay, calling him a spokesperson of a newly formed Bangladeshi Hindu body, ISKCON India has responded to the crisis because the Hindu community is under attack in the neighboring country. Interestingly, Mohammad Yunus won the Nobel Prize in 2006 along with several international honors. Now, under his watch, the Bangladeshi Attorney General has suggested the removal of the word secular from the constitution, as 90% of the population is Muslim. The Vice President of ISKCON India, Radha Raman Das, has declared the situation out of control, saying he will now wait for Donald Trump to join office on Jan 20th for a resolution of the matter. Trump had previously spoken about the barbaric violence against Hindus in Bangladesh when most world leaders largely remained silent. The anti-Hindu violence erupted in Bangladesh after student agitation over the controversial quota system, which soon led to a massive anti-government protest and the ouster of Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Trump also went on to say that this would have never happened on his watch. The Hindu community has faced over 200 attacks since the fall of the Sheikh Hasina-led Awami League government on August 5th. The Bangladesh government maintains that Das has been arrested on grounds of sedition for allegedly disrespecting the national flag during a Hindu rally and not as a leader of a community. ISKCON has called the label of being radical shocking and left it to Trump to take over in 2025. But whether Trump can deliver on one of the many promises he has made is up for debate. What are your thoughts?
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today Newsmo.